Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to customize your old WooCommerce email templates into a modern design for free. Enjoy the freedom to tailor your email designs to match perfectly with your company style and branding. For example, you can turn the email from a basic template like this into a professional email like this one. Alright, let's get to it. So go to Plugins, Add New Plugin, searching Email Customizer WooCommerce addons.org, and the plugin show up. This is the plugin we're going to be using. So click Install Now. Activate now. You can see here. After that, you scroll up and you will see email install notification. You click install and activate. So you are done. Now go to WooCommerce settings, emails, and you will see a lot of different emails templates. They are classified by recipients. So the first three of them are going to send to the site owners or administrator, and the others are going to be sent to the customers. So the first email we're going to customize is processing email. Click to the button Customize with Gmail. This is the email customizing interface. You can personalize each component or drag and drop the elements. You can also click this button to blank it and design the email as per your idea. If you want to return to default, click the Reset button. And now today, we will customize based on this template. First, we choose the background section to set up the overall background. Can change the email width, change the background color a little brighter, change the color, change the link color, click to Save button. The next thing we want to add the logo right here. You can upload image from media library or your computer. Now we upload it by pasting a URL. Adjust the size of image. Next, change the background this column to orange. Adjust the padding. Below that, you can modify the text or change the shortcodes. Make it bold. Next, we change the text color to orange. Moving on to the order detail table, you can switch on the button to show product image SKU and description. You can also change the background color and text color of the header and rows. We will leave it as default. Adjust the text align and padding. Change the border color and style. Then we will add contact information in the thank you section. And add some social platforms below. Switch the button to show or hide social icons. Then insert the links here. We will insert the button here. Change the button text. Change the background color. Change the border radius. Change the padding. You can also modify the footer, review and edit a bit. So the template is completed. Save and have a preview. Next, we will visit the store and test the email. Add this product to the cart. Proceed to checkout. Fill out the information. Place order. And now let's check the email we will receive. Open it up. And this our email template looks like awesome than before. This video ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.